Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Aurelia's Ice Creamery and Cafe. Bibili po tayo ng breakfast. Then punta tayo dun sa may clock tower.
Pangaon guys. Butan na aking kikinang rin man hinrasa. Basta may niya. May bacon, may bunay nga ambot kung ano pa niya mga banwa.
Now let's talk about the clock tower. Ang clock tower na ito ay itinayo noong 2005. Ito daw po ang pinakaunang four-faced clock na itinayo sa Australia sa mahigit na 70 taon or 70 years. Next stop, Don Mackenzie. So everyone, we're here at Don Mackenzie Waterfront Gardens. This is Esperance Harbor. Sobrang ganda po dito. Sobrang linaw ng dagat. Karasal ako marigo kundi lang mahagkot. Mahagkot po tubig gali.
Nice there, isn't it?
Yeah, it is nice. There's a lot of yachts over there.
Yeah.
Tama nga dit mulayan mga Rico. Mga yatsi.
Ang next stop po natin ay ang Esperance Rotary Lookout. Ang Esperance Rotary Lookout ay matatagpuan sa mataas na granite outcrop at nag-aalok ng malalawak na tanawin ng nakapalibot na baybayin na malapit sa bayan at ang mga magagandang beach nito. Next stop is Twilight Beach.
It's the end part.
This is Twilight Beach. Everyone. So beautiful. I'd love to go for a swim, but I don't think I can. It's too cold.
Ang Twilight Beach po ay 7 kilometers from Esperance at nasa kanlurang bahagi po ito ng Esperance. Next place na pupuntahan natin ay ang Wharton Beach. Medyo malayo pa ito from Esperance. Nasa 93.1 kilometers, bali 1 hour ang biyahe by car. Ang Wharton Beach ay isa sa pinakamagandang beaches sa Esperance. Habang pababa kami papunta dun sa my beach area, may mga tao na tumatakbo. Tas hindi namin alam kasi nga kararating lang namin. Tas may babae sabi niya wag daw kami maligo kasi daw yung kasama nila kinain ng pating. Nagsa-surfing sila. So yung nakikita na lang namin yung surfboard niya. Tas wala na siya, hindi na siya nakita. Hanggang ngayon hindi pa siya nakikita. Maganda dito kaso hindi po safe maligo. Maraming pating. Habang naglalakad kami dito sa may mga bato, sobrang bigat sa pakiramdam na yung nalaman namin na may kinain ng pating. Tapos nakita namin yung babae, nasa beach lang siya, tulala siya. Sobrang trauma dahil nakita niya lahat ng pangyayari. Sobrang kawawa. Nakakalungkot dun sa may beach area kaya umakyat na lang kami dito sa may parang mataas na bato. Tapos pinapanood na lang namin yung mga tao sa baba. Tapos biglang dumating yung mga police, may kasamang ambulance, pero wala na silang nakita. Tumambay muna kami dito sa may parking area at pinapanood lang namin yung mga police na nag-iimbestiga kung anong nangyari. Kinakausap nila yung mga tao sa paligid. Tsaka yung partner kasi nung lalaki na kinain ng pating nasa beach lang siya. As in, tulala siya. Umiyak lang siya, yung sobrang shock niya sa nangyari. Nakakalungkot lang po yung nakaka-witness tayo ng ganitong pangyayari. 'Pag sa mga ganitong sitwasyon, mare-realize natin na sobrang fragile ng buhay ng tao. Kaya mag-pray tayo palagi at hindi tayo pababayaan ng Diyos. Next na pinuntahan natin ay ang Anglican Op Shop. Ukay-ukay po ito. At may nakita po ako na pang-display. At may nakalagay, live for the moment you cannot put into words. Sobrang nagustuhan ko po siya at $2 lang yung price. Next destination na pupuntahan natin is Jaramongo. Sobrang layo po nito, nasa 302 kilometers away from Esperance. Bali 3 hours by car ang biyahe. Kaya mag-stop muna kami sa Hopton, doon na kami magla-lunch.
You got your hands full? Oh, she's loving it.
I'm loving it.
But watch her, she might have one in the back and put it on the barbecue.
No.
Let me forward it.
Traffic po, may mga tupa na tumatawid from one farm to another. Sobrang cute po. Ang dami nila. Ang tataba din. So, we're in the town of Hopetown now. May nadaanan kaming bakery, so bumili kami ng meat pie. At yung may-ari is Pinay, so nagchika-chika muna kami. Next na pupuntahan natin ay ang Fitzgerald River National Park. Need po muna magbayad bago pumasok dito sa National Park. $17 per vehicle. So, this is Barnes Lookout. This is what it looks like. Beautiful. Now we are on our way to Cave Point. That's our next stop.
How cool is that? Crystal clear water.
Dito po makikita yung mga balyena, pero wala sila dito ngayon. So, andito na po tayo sa Jaramongo. Papasok na po sa Caravan Park. So, this is our home for tonight. We're gonna stay here tonight because Rockingham is like 4 hours away from here. So, we're gonna have a stopover. So, this is what the cabin looks like. Actually, it's beautiful. Looks clean. So that's the bed. There's a small table on the side. There. And then there's aircon inside as well. A small TV. Yay, there's a microwave. So you can heat up food. It's a small fridge. Small empty fridge. Wow, there's free coffee. Sugar. And there's a cupboard underneath with all the plates, glasses. Oh, there's a kettle down there for boiling water. And a chopping board, a toaster. Something for washing dishes. Okay. There's the toilet. There's the toilet. And there's the shower here inside. There's the shower. Nice. Wow, it's really clean. After namin mag-chicken sa room, pumunta muna kami sa IGA para bumili ng pagkain. Good morning, everyone. So today we are going home now. We're going home to Rockingham. That's where we're from. And Rockingham is about 432 kilometers away. So it's like 5 hours in the car. You're gonna be sat in the car for 5 hours. It's gonna be a long drive. So yeah, we just spend the night here at Jaramongo Caravan Park. We just spend the night here in this cabin. This cabin is about $150 a night. But it's really nice inside the cabin. The bed is really comfy and the aircon's great and super clean. Here, there's not much around here. It's just a small town, like a few houses in the middle of nowhere. There were kangaroos though outside the window yesterday. I just didn't film it. I should have filmed it. But yeah, so that's all for now. And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.